Your brake fluid's pissing out now.
I imagine a Coke bottle.
Oh my god.
That's how you do it.
No good?
No.
Yeah, hang on, I'll stand on it. Okay guys, this is just highlights over a couple of days. Ben's got his weathers and extractors in. The first day we rebuilt the front struts. We actually pulled them apart, oil filled the struts and put some heavier oil in and cleaned them all up and everything, and they work really well now. This is the beginning of the second day. You bought us presents. Oh.
Yeah, I noticed you didn't have any drinks yet.
Yeah, I know. I ran out and I didn't have any money to buy any more yet. I was
Go get some
oh, awesome, man. Thank you.
Quick trip down to Autobarn to get a catch can and a few bits and pieces to complete the job. Then catch can because the weather's down. Anyway, just enjoy the highlights of what happened and yeah.
The Hobby Carbies are pretty cheap, aren't they? Oh, they're pretty cheap.
Cheapest, $100, 69, 119, 79, not that one.
Well, not, this has got drip. Motorsport, 139, 69, this one here.
69?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
And then it's just what would have rather the SAS one, that's all.
So anyway, mission accomplished, back to the shed, and the wife turns up with my lunch, and there's my little daughter. So wife with my food.
Just started doing.
I tried to get my son to come with me early in the morning, but apparently he had other things to do at home.
What are you doing?
So he just
You've been doing all morning.
got in, pulling apart an LCD cylinder head.
Won't move at all.
It's a bit rough, I don't know what to say, but we'll get all
Flip it
the
back over.
other bits out of it anyway.
Gently.
Pulling things apart. We had some dryness because the weather's getting the leakages to work properly. You'll see in a minute. Ben comes back from his first test drive, and yeah, probably the same. Got it running really well. Probably needs a little bit malfunction somehow. Yeah, so
It's idling better than before.
Major change or something. But now all I'm thinking of is this awesome system we've got in place, and need for putting the head in a better can.
Happy, bro?
Yep. Gonna be awesome. I'm just feeling, now I'm feeling that I've got to drive the fucking FC home. Just see me this morning. Like, fuck yeah, taking the FC out in the rain. Now it's like, fucking FC.
Why do you have to take it home?
Yeah, well, it's probably better off here.
Hey?
Oh, she's just not coming back up all the way.
Running a bit, Rich, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.